my god! You scream like a fag.
Well, I am. Are you? Or are you a straight fag?
I'm not gay. My boyfriend is gay. Huh?
What did you say? You're not gay, but your boyfriend
No,
is?
I'm not gay, but my boyfriend is.
Oh, okay.
So that's Hotel Coronado.
Best
And this
friend.
is Jojo. Having fun?
I'm gorgeous.
Okay, take a shot. Video.
Take a shot. Eric, so welcome to 101.5 FM. Nag-enjoy ka, Eric?
Oh yeah.
Look at Hotel Coronado. Gorgeous. Tapos may kasama kong gorgeous na ganyan. Oh, parang anito lang. Ay, ayan. Oh. Here.
What you doing?
Parang kasi-kaselan, di ba?
Oh yeah, this is a very old hotel.
Parang
It's 18th century hotel.
Dito yata tumuloy si ano eh. Si Kamehameha.
I know there are a lot of Hollywood stars that stayed in this hotel.